Hey guys, David did a video and today we are doing a slime video. The two slimes that I have. These are from my Etsy shop. And yeah. So I only have two because my Etsy shop I only did my Etsy shop last night. So I only have two slimes. So and yes, I've got my slime making thingy in here. And yeah, let's get started. So we are going to start with the pink one, the 1 litre, half 1 litre. It's still hard to make lotion. Yeah. Let's get it out. It's pink and it's got pink glitter in it. This is called the Princess Queen slime. Because I went to the Queen's house with Dale last night, I told her to make it, so yeah. So I'm just going to give you a little ASMR. This one doesn't really poke because it's a jiggly, and jigglies doesn't really poke. And I will just go down to So I'm back, and now you can hear it. You're just watching Devil Crush, so it's a bit loud. Can you put the heater back on?
Charge your phone up.
So I'm back, and the lighting's open. And to make a bubble. See that's a bubble. It's called a glitter unicorn bubble.
Now, unsurprisingly, Jade stuck to her guns and the two split up. However, at that time,
that's morning. Now moving on to the blue.
He's been wrong. He's demanding a DNA test on the baby.
It's like this one's called the light blue sea. It's like ultra stretchy. It's like very thick and glossy. This one does need to hand it's here. So the hand already has one. This one has a tiny bit. Tiny bit.
My mouse and Jade's giving it large already. I want to hear Phil's side. Your accusation is that this lady, last time it didn't come out. Yeah, you made a mistake, but you stand by the fact that test was wrong. Let's talk about this baby Carson. Why are we doing a DNA test?
It just rips sometimes. I do add a bit more bounce into it.
When I seen my son, and that's when I realised he was a Be quiet! I'll get to you! Sit down! End of the day, why I'm here because I want a DNA. Louder, my friend. End of the day, why I'm here because I want access and also DNA. Are you? What's happened? Oh, because she's left after a shop hygiene.
So here it is. It's got crystals in it. No. Look at that skinny tramp. Oh? That skinny tramp. We're just going to do a recap of Pokemon.
She cheated on me, she left for a sugar daddy, and now we have a scenario where she's playing God with a child that I love, that I bonded with. When you say playing God, what do you mean?
Mum! No! You're not taking my hairbands.
It's a bit. It's a bit.
You said that she uses these words to come out. She uses your son almost as a fashion.
She doesn't like to go and take my son out to parks or whatever. All she likes to do is leave my house and then go to
I'm going to do a recap of all the slides. So pink, very jiggly.
Oh my god, that. You say that she's a lazy mum.
Lazy mum that can't get a washing. She doesn't know how to brush her teeth or go in for a shower.
You say she takes drugs, she's violent, she spends money on weed. Jade's on the Jeremy Kyle show, that one.
Hey, look guys.
The truth is that it's not your face, you're just showing yourself you're a complete idiot.
You're the one that's not done nothing better if you've been happy with that. I mean, you're
Jade, slow down, I can't hear you.
you never message on my birthday. I can message you. The night before is nothing. The night before is nothing.
So I'm going to make a slime now. It's going to be glittery. Exactly the same.
Please be quiet. I'll prove
So?
Phil is the dad. It's Rich from him. And Guy.
This is Blue Cream Activator.
How many kids have you got?
Wash.
How many kids
Gloss
have you got?
Activator. And this with glitter.
For asking you a question now, because she told us you've got 10
Now this
children.
mix.
5 children.
See there, Mike?
I need to add some scent. Add some scent. Get the scent off the shelf. So scent is here. Mix with the pen. This one looks like a right now. Very still.
No, not pathetic because you were mentioning that one. We got together because you're saying the test on
We were not together at the time, and this is the time when she
Mint.
actually gave it a go for the sake of the
Yeah, I'm just gonna add some.
He gave me chlamydia when I was pregnant.
pregnant. Nearly 7 months pregnant.
He's obsessed with weird porn.
Okay, yes, guys, it's done. So I'm gonna Etsy.
Coming for something that we get. Just one of your kids, you're away from the game.
Let me put this another way. I've listened to him being criticised for 5 minutes. You made an accusation about him being on drugs. He took a drugs test and clear, and you refused. You've got to take both sides if you do my drugs. He's got to test it. Shut up. You refuse to. Why?
Because at the end of the day, I'm not
That's that scent done. And now, just make some exact same slime as this and exact same size. Let's do some glue. Now just add some tiny bit of glitter.
Why do we live in a world that says, right, hear me out, you have the baby, okay? This guy
Add some activator.
that he's not on drugs,
Activator.
he's the right sort of person.
Now this mix.
Right, yeah, stop.
And let's add some crystals and some crystals. This is harder to make because it's got it's already Now, let's show you my new slime.
Thieves not all prisons. Why?
Like really
It
glossy.
makes everything possible. Why can build new worlds?
Ah, baby. Ah!
Everything starts with a why. Why? In your fragrance. Thieves not all.
Just for Christmas, our master chocolatiers have lovingly created the finest mint chocolate. 3 hard
Go stretch it. Okay, maybe not stretch it.
chocolate teddy with his unique and magical heart charm. Full of love and warmth. Perfect for showing you care. Bring the magic home this Christmas.
Where's my makeup though?
I don't know.
Just right this Christmas.
Right, now let's put them in the
Chosen
Etsy
by kids.
shop.
Nerf Elite Triumph for £7. I'll say best.
Bye guys, see you next video. Toodaloo! Oh, and my Etsy shop, so www.etsyshop/. Bye! Bye, unicorns!
And right.